Whispers of scandal and romance are spreading once again across the town. Secrets are unrevealing, reputations are hanging by a thread, and if the latest updates are true, the next season of Bridgerton could be its most dramatic one yet. Screen Explain TV, every twist, every clue explained for you. After the whirlwind of Colin and Penelope's romance in the last season, new updates confirm that Bridgerton's saga is far from slowing down. The writers are preparing to spotlight new love stories, deeper rivalries, and the family secrets that will ripple through every ballroom in the town. One of the biggest twists will be hanging over the story in Penelope's Featherington's double life. With her identity as Lady Whistledown no longer a secret, her carefully built world has started to crumble. Can her relationship with Colin survive the truth, or will the scandal tear them apart before it truly begins? The Torn may forgive, but they never forget, and Lady Whistledown's quill has cut too deep. Benedict Bridgerton is also stepping closer to center stage. His charm and artistic soul sets him apart, but his pursuit of freedom could spark a romance that challenges every rule society holds dear. Will his story redefine what it means to love in Regency England, or will it pull the Bridgertons into a scandal greater than anything they've ever faced before? And then there's Francesca. For seasons, she's lingered in the background, but her time is finally here. Whispers suggest her arc will be one of the most emotional of the entire series, filled with love, heartbreak, and choices that could change her family forever. Meanwhile, Queen Charlotte remains as sharp as ever. Her eye for drama, her hunger for control, and her ability to expose secrets makes her the most dangerous figure in the town. When the Queen decides to intervene, no romance, no family, and no Bridgerton can escape her influence. Behind the scenes, Netflix is rising the stakes. Expect lavish ballrooms, costumes more breathtaking than ever, and a soundtracks blending classical style with modern hits that keep every scene unforgettable. But beneath the glitter of chandeliers and the music of violence, betrayal, heartbreaks, and the rivalry will define the season. So the question remains, can Penelope and the Colins' love survive the shadow of Lady Whistledown? Will Benedict finally claim the story, even if it means breaking society's rules? And will Francesca's arc become the most heartbreaking one yet? One thing is certain, the Bridgertons are waking into a season where every secret has the power to destroy them. So who do you think will dominate the town in the upcoming season? Penelope, Benedict, Francesca, or someone completely unexpected? Drop your predictions in the comments below and I'll be reading them all. And if you want every update, every twist, and every breakdown the moment it happens, hit that subscribe button, join us on Screen Explain TV. Until next time, keep watching, keep theorizing, and keep explaining.